Many people know Warren Buffett as one of the richest people in the world, but many people don't know that he didn't start with much. We've dug into his story and compiled the top 8 Warren Buffett's insane frugal living habits you must do now so you can build up wealth from nothing just as Warren Buffett did. Number 1. Make savings automatic. According to Warren Buffett, the biggest mistake anyone can make is not learning frugal living habits that can help save money. He believes that most behavior is habitual, so the more that someone saves money, the more incorporated it'll be in someone's life. During Warren Buffett's time, the ability to save automatically didn't exist, but in our highly technological era, this frugal living habit couldn't be easier. Most banks offer the ability to transfer money from your debit account into a savings account at a specific date or time, so that you never have to worry about remembering or developing the frugal habit of saving money. Number 2. Only buy marked down items. The famous quote from Warren Buffett, "Whether we're talking about socks or stocks, I like buying quality merchandise when it's marked down," is an essential teaching of frugal living. There are millions of different items that are produced for anyone's needs. However, many of these items share similarities, and one of them is that they get marked down. That being said, when you're looking to save money and practice frugal living, always search for marked down items you're looking to purchase. If the item is not on sale, it's best to wait until it is, so you can get the best bang for your buck. Number 3. Make saving a priority. Saving money is the only way to build real wealth that will last your entire lifetime. To reinstate the importance of saving, Warren Buffett says, "Don't save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." It's clear to see that Warren Buffett's mindset is driven towards frugal living, and this quote is a fantastic one to live by. Instead of orienting your budget around your expenses and paying off bills, orient it first around saving money, and then leave the rest of your money to your expenses. This change of perception can help you find ways to save money more efficiently, and it'll help you get one step closer to building wealth. Number 4. Make your purchases adaptable. Warren Buffett made a joke that he buys the cheaper version of his McDonald's breakfast when the market is down and buys the more expensive one when the markets are up. All jokes aside, having an adaptable budget depending on your financial situation can help you save the most money possible. It's a central principle of frugal living to live below your means, but life rarely goes according to plan. That being said, it's best to always update your budget and make any necessary changes as the month goes on so that you can stay within your means. Number 5. Invest in yourself. Ask yourself how many pages of various text you read a day. What if we told you Warren Buffett says that the key to his success was reading a massive 500 pages a day? While 500 pages may be totally excessive for most of us, the value and importance of reading versus watching shows or movies are plain to see. Through reading, you can learn tons of new things that can help you grow in your frugal living habits, and can help you find new ways to save money. For instance, reading personal finance books can help you learn great ways to save money and make awesome frugal living choices. Number 6. Take care of your health. Taking care of your health goes a really long way, and it's no different for Warren Buffett. He is adamant about getting 8 hours of sleep every night. This has allowed him to live to the old age of 91 and build incredible wealth through frugal living habits. Not only that, but he's managed to steer relatively clear of any major medical bills that can really drain anyone's income. With that in mind, it's important to always focus on taking care of your health. That means doing any necessary exercise and eating a relatively healthy diet, but also making sure you reduce your stress by doing what makes you really happy. Number 7. Avoid using your credit card. Warren Buffett says he uses cash about 98% of the time, and living below your means and frugal living is basically synonymous with using cash, because it only allows you to spend what you actually have. Credit cards are not cash that you have, but simply a way to get a quick loan for small purchases. However, as with all loans, you need to pay them back, and it's not going to come without interest. If you want to save the most money possible, build wealth, and really practice frugal living habits, then avoid your credit cards and use cash. If you struggle to avoid reaching for your credit cards, then make them physically hard to access. If you have your credit card information saved on your computer, then make sure you remove any saved information. This will force you to get a physical card for any purchases. Sometimes, all it takes to practice the frugal living habit of using cash is to make purchases a chore. Number 8. Lower your food bills. You've heard that takeout is not recommended for people looking to practice frugal living and save money, and Warren Buffett supports that decision. Even though he eats McDonald's for his breakfast, the cost of his meal is usually under $5. That being said, taking the time to make your own food at home or reducing the amount you eat takeout can really help you save money and avoid overshooting your monthly budget.